Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Negril, Jamaica, and straight ahead we're looking at the construction that's going on at Sandals Negril. Now they are building some luxury villas that are going to be used as honeymoon suites. So there you can get straight ahead you can see an update on the construction. Now Sandals is a 5-star hotel chain in Jamaica. They have hotels all over the island and the Caribbean. And this is their location in Negril. That road that's straight ahead is a Norman Manley Boulevard. And Negril is on the western coast of Jamaica in the parish of Westmoreland. We don't have a well, this project is to finish later this year, and it's a 3-story structure. And the good thing is the construction doesn't interfere with the operation of the hotel. So Sandals Negril is still open. They have kind of fenced off the construction area from the rest of the hotel, and we are looking at the construction from the main road. So this is basically looking from the outskirts, outside of the property. The hotel industry in Jamaica is booming. They expect millions of tourists to come into the island this year. And so a lot of hotels are either expanding or building new facilities. Ria, for example, that has 2 hotels in Negril, is building another hotel in Trelawney. Secrets is building another hotel. Sandals is actually renovating one hotel in Miami Bay and building a new one. Alright, so we are now driving through Negril. This is a Norman Manley Boulevard that will take us onto the Northern Coastal Highway, and that's Sandals on the left. Now Negril is famous for its 7 Mile Beach. It's a very nice beach, one of the top beaches in the world. So you have a lot of hotels in Negril. Now coming up on the left is the entrance to Hedonism 2, where that truck just turned, and then straight ahead on the left now is the Royalton Hotel. These are all massive hotels.
Hedonism still over there now. This is the good one. This is Royalton. Hedonism 2 is no, it's only one. Hedonism leave now. Just the one in Negril.
Alright guys, so we're going to
nice hotel,
give you updates on the construction at Sandals. Probably every two weeks or every month. So you guys can stay. You can subscribe to the channel and keep checking us, because we post videos every day. And we'll give you updates on this project and all the other hotel projects every 2 weeks. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video as we drive through Negril, Jamaica. We're actually driving from Negril back to Montego Bay. So if you're leaving Negril and you're going back to the Sanctuary International Airport, this is the route you would take. Alright guys, have a good day.
Negril sign.
No, so it's alright.
Matthew, okay?
Yeah.
You see, when COVID hit and nobody was traveling, could I get hotel room for $50 a night at Rio? $60 a night.
How much is it normally? Like now?
I would say probably one something, probably low twos. Royalton is usually like 280, but that's for two people.
When I stayed at Rio, it was like $250 a person or something. Oh, look at these nice little.
Yeah, man, a complex over there now. You see all that? Airbnb all the way.
Yeah. That's exactly what it. And they're still being built.
Oh, you want to take a picture on the Negril sign?
No, so it's alright.
Matthew, okay?